Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your unrecognized disk on PS5. So if you're facing an error such as unrecognized disk on PS5, then what you can do is, in order to fix it, you can simply watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now there are many different reasons why the issue occurs, such as for some causes there might be a random bug that develops in your system, or if the game that you're trying to play is already installed but won't play because the console has suddenly stopped reading the disk. These are some of the common reasons why the issue occurs. Now for that, in order to fix it, you can try cleaning the game. So a lot of people don't realize that the game disk also needs attention from time to time. This means cleaning its surface properly and taking care not giving them scratches or cracks. Now the ideal way to clean a game disk is by using a clean soft cloth such as microfiber and wiping the surface properly. You'll need to wipe the disk in a straight line starting from the middle part going outward. Now also, it's not important to use any liquid when cleaning a disk as well. Now this might be able to fix the issue as well as it might not be able to solve the issue. Apart from that, what else you can do is sometimes the PS5 won't read the game disk and will return any error codes or message. Make sure to take note of the error message, as that can likely help you in your troubleshooting errors. Apart from it, you can also try rebooting your consoles. Now sometimes it may take doing a simple thing to fix seemingly problem. One of the simple solutions you can try doing in the system is that simply turning off your PS5 completely, turn it back on and check if it reads a game disk or not. And you can also try running the PS5 on a safe mode and restarting it. If the regular reboot won't help, your next move is to restart your PS5 in a safe mode. So all you have to do is just long press on your PS5 power off button, and when you hear a second beep, all you have to do is just leave it or hold the button, and that might be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then reaching out to a customer service or getting help of a professional more likely to solve your issue. In that way, you can fix your PS5 unrecognized disk error. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.